Having trouble turning off your Sceptre monitor? You're not alone. Many users report this issue, especially with newer models. Understanding the potential causes is the first step to fixing the problem. The first common cause is power button problems. The button might be physically stuck, have an obstruction, or the hardware could be unresponsive. Another common issue is conflicting sleep settings between your operating system and the monitor. When these settings don't align, the monitor may not enter sleep mode properly. Sometimes a continuous video signal prevents the monitor from entering sleep mode. This can happen due to background applications or graphics card activity that keep sending signals to the monitor. Finally, hardware issues like faulty power supplies, bad capacitors, or firmware bugs can prevent proper power management. These problems often require professional repair or replacement. These four main causes cover most Sceptre monitor power issues. Identifying which category applies to your situation will help guide you toward the right solution. The first troubleshooting step is a power button reset. This simple procedure can resolve many power management issues. First, unplug the monitor from power for 30 seconds. This allows any residual charge to dissipate completely. While the monitor is unplugged, hold the power button for 15 seconds. This helps reset the internal power management circuits. Finally, reconnect the power and test if the monitor now turns off properly when you press the power button. If the power reset doesn't work, the next step is checking your Windows display settings. In Windows, navigate to Power Options and set your display to turn off after 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the monitor enters sleep mode properly. A critical step is disabling USB Selective Suspend in Power Options. This feature can interfere with monitor power management. Another important Windows setting to check is Fast Startup, which should be disabled for proper monitor power management. Navigate to Power Options and choose what the power buttons do. Uncheck Fast Startup as this can prevent monitors from entering proper sleep mode. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, we can try advanced solutions, including monitor firmware settings. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu and look for DDC-CI settings. Enable this feature as it allows Windows to communicate directly with the monitor for power management. You should also check for firmware updates from Sceptre's website, as newer firmware often includes improved power management features. As a last resort, if software solutions don't work, you can use hardware-based power management. Consider using a smart power strip or external smart switch. These devices can completely cut power to the monitor when not in use, ensuring zero power consumption. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most Sceptre monitor power-off issues. Start with the basic solutions and work your way up to more advanced fixes as needed.